in class 10. First formula is दूरी सूत्र. दूरी सूत्र equal to D. How discover दूरी formula? A B x1 y1 x2 y2 x1 y1. I will find A and B distance. Formula x2 minus x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 का स्क्वायर. Some example. This formula, if A distance 2 3, B distance 4 3, how will find distance? Let A 2 3, B 4 3, I will find distance. D equal to under root x2 minus x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 का स्क्वायर. Now put in value. 4 is x2, 2 is x1, 3 is y2, 3 is y1. 4 is x2, 2 is x1 and का स्क्वायर प्लस y2 value is 3 minus y1 value is 3 equal to 4 subtract 2 is equal to 2 0 square. Next calculate the value 4. Calculate the value, add 4, this value is 2 unit. Next formula is, I will find next question distance. How will find the distance? A point is given 4 and 2. B point is given 6 and 3. Now I will find distance. A given 0.42, B given 0.63, AB equal to, what is AB? AB is distance A to B. A to B distance of distance D. I will find x2 x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, पुट द वैल्यू 6 माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस 3 माइनस 2 का स्क्वायर. This value is y2 x2, this value is x1, this value is y2, this value is y1. I explain this value. x1 x2, x1 is 4, x2 is 6 and y1 is 2, y2 is 3. Now calculate the value. 6 upon 6 subtract 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2 and 3 subtract 2 is equal to 1. Next value is 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 square, 1 square is equal to 1. Now I will value 5 unit. This is answer. Next question I will given. You can write it, please. First formula is complete. Next formula, विभाजन सूत्र. विभाजन सूत्र x इक्वल टू x2 m1 प्लस x1 m2 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. y निर्देशांक इक्वल टू m1 प्लस m2 और x y2 m1 प्लस y1 m2. This formula is very important. You can write it. Next I will find some example this formula. One example, the given line, there is point 2 4, B point given is 4 6, P point given is P point given no given. Find the value. What is value x and y? This point given is 3 and 4. What is 3 and 4? 3 and 4 is ratio of between AB and BP, AP and BP का रेशियो है. A is 2 and 4, B is 4 and 6, AP ratio BP is equal to 3 ratio 4. This value is AP, this value is BP. First, by the formula x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. m1 value is 3. This is called m1, this is called m2. m1 value is 3 and x2 value is 4 and m2 value is 4 and x1 value is x1 value is 2 upon 3 add 4. Now calculate this value. 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 7. Next 8 20 upon 7. This is also x coordinate and y coordinate. How will find? Formula is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 m1 plus m2. m1 value is 3 multiply y2 value is 6 plus m2 value is 4 and y1 value is 4 upon 3 and 4. Now we'll calculate 7. 6 3 is 18, 4 4 is 16, 34. I will find given point. This given point I will find P. This is 20 upon 7 and y given point 34 upon 7. This is your answer.